Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.